Hey YouTube, today I'm working on a BMW 325 Xi. Trying to start it. It's turning over, cranking, but not starting. I'll let you guys hear it. See, it starts, it cuts right back off. Now on this car, I believe the fuel pump is in the tank. So what I did, I took the rear seat off, turned the key on to prime it, but I'm hearing the pump, but it's not sounding very strong at all. Now if I spray some starting fluid in the intake, it'll start, it'll run, but once that fluid burns off, it cuts out. I've also done a fuel pressure test with a fuel pressure tester. You could actually rent one of these from AutoZone or buy one, they're pretty cheap. You put it on this Schrader valve right here. So you put this end on the Schrader valve, and then the other end you attach it to the gauge. And what I did, I turned the key so I could prime the pump, and it had no pressure. When I did put the starting fluid in, got it to run for a little bit, the pressure only went up to about maybe 20 psi. And on this car, I believe it should be at least 35. Now I didn't do a video of the actual test itself. There's like a lot of videos online showing how to do that, so I didn't bother filming it. But these tests are leading me to the pump. So now I gotta figure out, like I said, I believe this pump is in the trunk. It's in the gas tank. So I gotta head there now and attempt to drop that and change the pump, and should be good after that. Now don't forget to like, share, subscribe.